Hello love, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. But if you are new, then welcome. I hope that you decide to subscribe and enjoy your stay here. I know it's been a while for those of you who have been here for such a long time. Update, I got a new job. So this week I decided to do just a week of work outfits, what I wore for the entire week of work. So if you do want to see it, then let's get on into the video. Also, shameless self promo. If you guys don't know already, I have a handmade jewelry business called Kavita's Jewels, and this gorgeous little beauty that I'm wearing here is actually part of my new Christmas collection. So I would leave the links on the screen, leave the links below. Definitely go check that out. Currently it's only available in Trinidad and Tobago, but soon it could be available elsewhere. But it wouldn't hurt to just go like my page, share my stuff, comment, and let me know if you like the stuff that I make, my creations. Okay guys, so outfit number one, day one of work, is really just this simple white shirt. Just to spice it up, I decided to go with some ankle length pants, and then I have my blazer. I'm wearing a simple, like very cute little earring. Simple cute little earring. Not gonna put on any makeup because you know we have to wear the mask, so no. But yes, this is my outfit. A blazer, white shirt, ankle length pants, and then I'll show you guys when I put on my shoes. Righty, so this is the final look. I have combed my hair, guys. It's a very high ponytail, it sits, and these are the shoes that I'm gonna be wearing. Very simple, like flats, and these are actually the shoes that I will be wearing for a very long time. It's super comfortable and very soft and flat. What do you guys think of outfit number one on my first day? This dress, my working dress, stockings, and I have my blazer to throw on this. So this is how it looks. So this is me, white blazer, long sleeve. I could unbutton it or I could leave it buttoned. And dress and stockings, and this little very little tiny little black one drop earring. I like to be very simple and minimalistic. No makeup again. I kind of really like this one, except that I did put on a lot of weight, so you know. Outfit number three, very simple. Just this top kind of like shirt thing. I don't even know what you call this, but it's like raw, kind of cute. Has like this kind of print on it, shiny buttons, and gray with pants. Okay, this is now our outfit number three because I just did not like the pants, so I changed it into this black one. I didn't like how it was looking, so this is what we got going on. Number four, guys. So it's basically this kind of like printed vest, no shirt, sorry. I'm wearing a colored vest, that's why you're seeing the green. I just like to give it a color sometimes. And then a white skirt like this, you know, wearing stockings. Yes guys, say hello to my pooch. He's running, hi pooch. Yeah, and then you all know my staple shoes. I actually did my hair in a high bun, try to get it neat. Hopefully it doesn't frizz out during the day because that's like normally how it is. Simple like black earrings, that is what get going on. So yes, what has been your favorite so far, guys? Like which one? I actually really love this shirt. Like I love this shirt, and I love like the white and white look. But I think my personal favorite outfit has been the outfit number one. Like the very first day. I love like how blazers and shirts look. Like that's all me. It's now day 5, fifth and final day of my first working week. It's like kind of like this colorful top and just some simple black working pants. I love the print on right here, guys. You see, so I love the print on this top, but I actually don't particularly like the sleeves. It's like this, and I'm not a fan of it. But it's like I love this. I don't really like this part, but it's like very simple, very casual. My hair is in a high ponytail for the day. I have to comb all that. But yeah, that's what we have going on. So guys, I have worn 5 outfits. I don't know, for those of you guys who know me, I like to be very simple, so I did not overdo any of the outfits this week. It was like all very simple. Let me know if you want me to do more of these kind of like work outfits, so I could create like maybe a outfit workbook, a work outfit lookbook. Thank you all so very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know which one was your favorite outfit. What do you typically wear to go to work, that kind of thing. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That would really help me out. Bye.
If I may just take your breath away, I don't mind if there's not much to say. Sometimes